We got this 2011 Honda CR-V. We got the front end all put back together. This thing was smashed in the front. These frame horns were pointed all different directions.
That thinks he's Miyagi.
Hey guys, how's it going? Let's follow me inside the shop and see what we got going on today. As you see over here, we got some high-tech lock. See? The door's open, but it's not opening. This is that high-tech. So them thieves don't get in there. It's a special lock. Check it out. So inside here, got a box welded up, and this thing, when you put the hook inside of it, this little lip comes out into the slot, and there's some angle iron right here, and it stops it. So even if someone does pick this lock, they'll never be able to open it. You learn a thing or two when people break into your shop once in a while. So follow me. We got this 2011 Honda CR-V. We got the front end all put back together. This thing was smashed in the front. These frame horns were pointed all different directions, any way you want to think of. But today what we got is, gotta cut this windshield out, get it replaced, glue in a new one, and this bad boy in here. Got this roof airbag that we need to pull out and replace today. So that's gonna be a good chunk of work today, and then we'll be ready to start buffing the car out. Here is made by Astro Winco, so it's supposedly one of the nicer windshield removers. What we used to do is we used to go old school with a knife and a wire, but sometimes you got to get new things. So let's see what we got in the box. Looks like it comes with a brand new cutter. I'm gonna slap this thing together and put her to use, see how she works. Hey guys, so we're back now. Got everything all set up, ready to go. We're gonna see how this bad boy works out. We got some soapy water just to lubricate the blade a little bit, so it's a little easier to cut her out and see what she got. Now what we got is all this excess.
A lot of this stuff right here.
We need to cut it all off, almost right to the metal, but we don't want to try not to scuff up the metal. But the reason this window was such a pain in the butt to remove is because someone already installed it once, so it's not done at the factory.
You sure?
Now it's gonna take you longer.
I'm gonna have to edit this part out.
Give the award.
No. Stop that. Yeah, thinks he's Miyagi. That's what it looks like right now. Just caked with dog hair, man. And get her nice and cleaned up. All this stuff out of here and cleaned up real good. Real nice. Hey, look at this, it's nasty. Yeah. Mold, so much other stuff in here. That's gonna look good. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Night and day finish. Beauty. Now gotta throw all the seats back in, put all the plastics in, and one final detail, and she'll be done. Take a look at it. This thing's beautiful. Got it all detailed. The brother detailed it. Put the final touches on it. That thing's sparkling. That's how you do justice on these cars right here, boys.
Right here is that supervisor we were talking about in the other
Not much
video.
of a supervisor though. I don't know if you're good here. I can't get
Pop the hood. Pop the hood. That's the
best part.
This is where it's at. Like a mirror.
Take a quick gander.
If that ain't clean, I don't know what is.
That's how you do it. Smack up detail job right there, boys.
Oh yeah. Nice.
I got it.